Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today's video is going to be an eyeshadow palette review. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be reviewing an eyeshadow palette from Yummy Cosmetics, which is a new brand, and this is their first product. And they were kind enough to send me their eyeshadow palette, and today we're going to be reviewing it for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing the package that they sent for you guys to see, and I'm going to be reviewing the eyeshadow palette. But disclaimer, just because they sent me this product does not mean that I'm going to be biased. I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I'm going to be opening it for the first time in front of you guys so you guys can see my first impressions and review. So let's get into this video. So the palette came with a cotton candy, which was really nice, and trust me guys, I already ate it. So this was the package it came in. It's a cotton candy and it was really nice. Thank you. So the package also came with a letter for me. Oh my god, it's so bright, you can't actually see it, and it says welcome, and it reads, "Hey Mathilda, we are so glad to have you on board. We hope you enjoy the palette. Looking forward to seeing your yummy looks. XOXO, the Yummy fam." Thank you so much for sending this. So this is the eyeshadow palette, guys. So as you can see, the name of the palette is a blissful treat. This is the palette. It's really cute. It's like, it has the cotton candy shape and it's really nice. So this is the packaging. I love it. And this is the palette, guys. These colors, guys, are so nice. I love the colors. This palette contains 5 mattes, 3 shimmers and 4 glitters, and I love the fact that they added glitter because I haven't tried out glitter before. So today I'm going to be trying out glitter for the first time. This palette retails for $16, which means that would be about 5,000 naira or 6,000. I really don't know, but around that range. So this is actually really affordable, and you get 12 shades, which is really nice. I love the packaging. And something that is also to note is the fact that there's a magnet here, so when it falls down it's not going to break. I always take note of things like that because when some of my palettes fall down, they always break. This palette is also cruelty free. So guys, let's jump into the, because I like my eyeshadows to be pigmented, I always start from darkest to lightest. So that's what I'm going to be doing today for this eyeshadow. So let's see how pigmented this red is. Wow, that is pigmented. Can you guys see that? I wasn't ready for this. Yo, can you see this pigment? Wow, this is really pigmented, guys. I can't even make this shade up. The first shade I used was Treat, and the second shade I'm going to be using is Bubble Gum. This is a light pink shade. I'm going to be using a fluffy brush to blend it out. So you need to proceed with caution, guys. This is a lot of pigment. This shade is blending really easily and I love it. I'm going to be applying the shade Fawn on my lid. I packed the glitter on my fingers. Just going to tap. Now note that there's no glitter glue, so it's going to have a lot of fallout. So I'm going to go into the shade Flavor. This is the shade right here. I'm gonna pack that at this side. So guys, this is how the eyes are looking. I'm going to go do my face off camera and I will be right back. And this is the final look, guys. I really love this look. What do you guys think about this look? Let me know down in the comment section. Now, final thoughts for the Blissful Treat palette by Yummy Cosmetics. I love this palette. This palette did not give me any stress. It was really pigmented, blended out very well, and I love this palette. You're going to see me feature this palette in more videos because I absolutely love the palette. I want to try out more of the colors and dig into this green glitter. The colors were pigmented. You saw it on camera. There's no denying it. Like, it was really pigmented, blended out well, and I was really impressed with it. This palette is not for your everyday girl because there are lots of colors. So if you're a color person, this palette is for you. You have a wide range of colors. So you have the primary colors to mix to get any color you want. So this palette is affordable, it is pigmented, blends well, has glitters, has matte, has shimmers. What can I say? I love it. There's not much to say about it. It is a good palette and I would definitely recommend you to get it if you're a color person, if these color selections suit your need. I really love the fact that there's glitters in here because it really made me try glitter for the first time. What do you guys think about my glitter application? This is my first time applying glitter and I feel like it was okay. I love the packaging. I love the concept of the cotton candy cut out, then the colors selection, mint, banana pop, just has that sugary goodness to it and I really love it. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss a single upload from me. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my social media. Instagram is Mathilda___beauty 3 underscores, Twitter and Snapchat Mathilda_Duku. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.